Hey y'all, this is my first vlog ever and I'm really excited because today I get to ride along with my boyfriend. He drives a flatbed, so it's finally time for me to ride along with him. We are going to Georgia, so we're going from Tennessee to Georgia, all the way at the bottom of Georgia, kind of on the Florida line. So I am very interested to see how this trip goes. I kind of want to see like what he does over the road, and I also want to take y'all along with me. Now I'm just gonna prep for our trip and pretty much show y'all what I'm going to bring on the road. We are eating healthy all 2023, so I need to pack some fruits and stuff, and I'm just gonna pretty much show y'all how I do that and how I am going to prep for this trip. Waiting on his truck because it's getting some maintenance done. I'm talking to the camera, but we're just taking a little snack break. We are eating healthy all 2023, but I signed all the papers that I needed to sign, so I'm able to ride with him and won't get in trouble. And then I think we're all good. He is so heavy-handed. Why he's playing that door that hard? I'm a little nervous because I didn't get to prepare for this trip as much as I wanted to. Like, I wanted to get these little motion sick glasses that are on Amazon, and I wanted to get like some ginger ale chews or whatever. It's supposed to help with motion sickness, but since I don't have any, we're just gonna see how this goes. We're just gonna take it day by day. I'm only gonna be out here for 2 days, so hopefully there's no motion sickness involved. But I wonder how long we're gonna have to wait. I'm ready to go. We are in the country right now. The country. So this is his load. We're about to get in this truck. So this is what the inside of the truck looks like. He does have an older truck, but I mean, it does the job, I guess. But now I'm just filling up the refrigerator with our healthy snacks and whatnot. I hope y'all can hear me because this truck is a little loud, but that's what I'm doing right now. Passenger princess in full effect. I'm ready. I'm really excited. I am ready for the trip. Let me show y'all. These are the other trucks out here. Doing his paperwork. But I am ready. Is it charged? You're a little bit too comfortable for me. I know you like Sam.
I swear to God, this is how I sit, bro. Bro, you can't come in here trying to.
But you can't see nothing like up there. Like you can't even see the ground.
Just sit there, bro.
You can't even see the ground. I can't see the ground. I feel like I'm in a car seat right now.
Sure. Sure.
I'm tripping?
Yeah.
How am I tripping?
You're making me nervous. You're making me nervous as
Why?
I don't know, bro. I don't know why you're making me nervous, bro.
Okay. Do I need to go in the back?
Nah. You're good, Queen.
Okay. Made it to the construction lot where he was dropping off in the morning. I pretty much slept the whole time. I slept on this bed back here. It's a little dark. The motion sickness wasn't that bad, but it did feel like I was like constantly on a plane. So you are. Why are you looking at me? We just finished walking. And this is the end of day 1. See y'all tomorrow. So it's the next day. I'm looking extra crusty and dusty. I left my bonnet at home, so that's why I'm looking like a little crazy right now, but it's okay. We somehow managed to sleep on this twin mattress. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but I definitely miss my bed. So we're at the construction site and it is 7:35. I think they started at 7 o'clock unloading these trucks. So there's 5 trucks in front of us. They're all from the same company. So they're doing 2 trucks at a time. Now we just wait. Sam's going to untie his stuff back there so they can take it off whenever it is his turn. And I guess I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Only downside about this is that there's no bathroom. I can't just go and pee, so I have to wait until we get to the next rest stop. Like I said, we are at a construction site and it's nothing but dirt hills and dirt hills. That is really the only downside about riding in the truck, because you just can't use the bathroom as you please. So yesterday I was talking a little bit about motion sickness, and the motion sickness wasn't that bad until I came and laid down on this bed while he was driving. It felt like an airplane that was landing when I was sleeping on this bed. Like the bumps, I felt like we was driving over multiple potholes. When I do get motion sickness in a car, it's honestly worse than it is in the truck. So like I'm okay because I can sit up and sit in the front if I want to and just chill. So the motion sickness isn't as bad as I thought it would be. I'll keep y'all updated. We just got to our second destination. We're at like this cement pipe place. I'm not really sure what to call it, like what's the technical term for it. It is pretty dusty out here. I've never seen anything like this before. That doesn't even look fun to stand in. Like, just imagine all that just hitting in your face, your hair, your clothes, your skin. We're gonna stay in the truck for this one. run into anything too crazy. Finally back. We finally made it back. It is cold outside and it's still kind of raining. Sam's in the back unhooking the trailer from the truck, and then we're just gonna park it and then we're gonna head home. Y'all, I can't wait to get home and shower and lay in my bed. I miss my bed so much. But this was a fun experience overall. I definitely will be coming back and doing it again. Woo! All done.
Tell people I can drive.
Yeah, he can drive, surprisingly. But when we get in the car, he be driving the car like he driving the truck. And it's just like, slow your horses.
Enjoy it?
Yeah, I did enjoy it. I'm
Is it what you expected?
I don't really know what I was expecting.
Yeah.
It wasn't that bad at all. Definitely want to come and take another trip with you. I can't wait to get home.
Me either. It's the weekend.
In my bed. And that's who it is, the weekend.
It is the weekend.
Sam's going to go get the car, and I'm just sitting in here waiting. I got all our stuff together. You can see I'm ready to go home now. That is the end of the video. I hope y'all liked this vlog, my very first vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.